Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Elmo MO-1, MO-1W, 1337-1, or 1337-2 document camera visual presenter, the Guytech AC/DC adapter. This isn't an original Elmo part, but it's marketed as a 100% compatible, high-quality replacement, and we're going to explore what makes it stand out. First off, compatibility is key, and this adapter is specifically designed to power those Elmo models, ensuring a seamless fit and function. One of the immediate practical benefits is its generous 5-foot cable. This length offers a good amount of flexibility, allowing users to position their document camera without being tethered too closely to an outlet, which is incredibly convenient in various presentation or classroom setups. Adding to that convenience is the built-in LED indicator. It's a small detail, but knowing at a glance that your adapter is receiving power and ready to go can save a lot of troubleshooting time and provide peace of mind, especially when you're about to start an important presentation. Now let's talk about power and protection. This Guytech adapter boasts a universal input range of 100V to 240V. This means it's ready for worldwide use, making it an excellent choice for educators or professionals who travel internationally with their Elmo document cameras. No need to worry about different voltage standards. Just grab the right plug adapter and you're good to go. More importantly, the manufacturer emphasizes its robust safety features. It comes equipped with over-voltage output protection, over-current output protection, and short-circuit output protection. These aren't just buzzwords. They're critical safeguards designed to protect your valuable Elmo equipment from potential electrical damage, ensuring its longevity and reliable performance. In a market flooded with generic power supplies, the emphasis on these protective measures suggests a commitment to quality that goes beyond just basic functionality. The brand, Guytech, positions this adapter as a superior alternative to what they describe as low-quality, low-current ones, often found on the market. While it's a non-OEM product, the claim of being 100% compatible and high quality is a strong one, aiming to reassure users that they're getting a reliable power source. Its sleek black design, labeled Black 14, and wall mount type make it a discreet and practical addition to any setup, minimizing clutter. For anyone needing a dependable, safe, and versatile power solution for their Elmo document camera, this Guytech adapter appears to be a very compelling option, offering both functionality and crucial protective features that are essential for maintaining expensive equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.